Hey everyone, and welcome back to Coffee with My Sunshine and another DIY Make It Your Own Monday. If you'd like to see how I made these 3 DIYs from mostly the Dollar Tree items, then please keep watching. You're going to start with this starfish. I got this one a few years ago from Michael's, and it was this teal color, and I just spray painted it white. Then this 8x10 frame from the Dollar Tree. And also these canvas craft sheets I received from this company. They were so sweet, called Burlap Fabrics. They contacted me and asked if I wanted to pick a few items from their website to do my DIYs with, and I was so excited because they have some really great items. I have more DIYs to come this week and next week, and probably even after that, because they sent me quite a bit. But they have tons of different fabrics and just things that you need for DIYs or decorating or for weddings. But I will link their website below. Again, it's Burlap Fabrics. And I will link the items that I use in my upcoming DIYs as well. And you'll also just need a piece of burlap. This was a scrap piece I had from last year. I'm going to take the canvas sheet and you're going to open up the frame, stick the canvas sheet over the frame insert and then the burlap on top of that. Then secure it into the frame. Then you're going to take the starfish and a piece of twine or jute rope, and you're going to hot glue it and then make a loop because that's what you're going to secure to the frame. And then just to give it a little something extra, I just wrapped the twine around the starfish a couple times. Then go ahead and place the starfish where you want it on the frame and hot glue it. And if you give it a good amount of hot glue, it should stay in place. Then you're going to want to flip the frame back over and go ahead and cut the excess as long as you're happy with how the burlap looks inside of the frame. And for the next project, I just used this cute little bunny picture from the Dollar Tree, and you're going to coat that in white paint. I used a little bit of white and gray chalk paint, and then I popped off those metal pieces. I'm going to put them back on after the paint is dry. While that's drying, we're going to move on to the next project, and I just used this vase that I got from the Dollar Tree. Also, this mini Jenga game. They just have a bunch of wood pieces in there, and that's what we're going to use to build the I'm not really sure what they're called, the hurricane glass holders, you know, the wood ones. You've also seen them a lot for the plant holders. They're just like a wood bottom, and I just thought they were super cute. And then all I did was just play around with the placement, just to make sure it was snug, but still loose enough to get the vase in and out. Then you're going to take some wood glue and hot glue and just glue all the pieces together. And you're going to want to make sure you get the wood glue off better than I did, you know, off the top of the pieces, because it will dry more of a white color. So just wipe it off while it's still wet. to take this sand that I got from the Dollar Tree and fill it up. And also these little candles are from the Dollar Tree. And then I just went ahead and used some shark's teeth and little shells that we've collected from some of our vacations in the past. And I just sprinkled some on the top, but it would look cute with shells. I know they have bags of shells at the Dollar Tree as well, so you could get those if you didn't have your own. Then this next part that I am scribbling on is going to be used on that bunny sign that we painted. My husband was nice enough to trace out the words beach bum for me because we didn't have ink in our printer, so he went ahead and did that for me. And then I'm just going to scribble on the back so that I can transfer the letters onto the sign. And then that's what I'm doing here. I'm just pressing hard so that the pencil from the back is just going to transfer onto the sign, and then I can just go ahead and paint the letters. And as I started to do this, I was not feeling confident, so I wanted to get a Sharpie and just darken in the lines before I started painting. For some reason that makes me paint a little straighter. I don't know. It's all in my head, I know. So then after the paint has dried, I'm just going to take some sandpaper and sand over some of the white and the edges and a little bit over the letters just to give it a little bit of a distressed look. Then you're just going to use a little bit more of that twine to make a little hanger on the back of the sign, and you can just hot glue it because the sign is really light. And after I hung it, I realized I forgot to put the lines back in to make the background look like wood, so that's what I'm doing here. I hope you guys enjoyed these 3 DIYs. I had somebody suggest in my last video that I do a more rustic coastal DIY or decor pieces, so I thought these were pretty fun. If you guys have any suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below if there's anything you guys want to see me make. I love to hear the suggestions you guys have and ideas. And I want to thank you guys so much for all of your support. It's been a lot of fun making these DIYs. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.